So hello viewers, this will be my first course on YouTube for class 10 students on YouTube basically, and here I will teach SST, which will be according to the SEBA syllabus. So this complete batch will be free of cost. So any student who finds this course useful, kindly subscribe to my channel. So my introduction, my name is Shradatta and I have done BSc in computer science and I am a gold medalist in this, and I am recently doing a job under the Assam government. So I will just share a brief plan for this complete course on YouTube, that I will be posting videos which will be maximum of 10 to 15 minutes, and complete the chapter theory by posting such videos only. And then once the chapter gets finished, I will be posting shorts which will consist of the quiz and related PYQs related to that chapter, and also important questions, tricks, then previous year questions from those chapter. So once a chapter is finished, these shorts of the relevant chapter will be posted too. So videos will be posted every alternate day, and the notes I'll be showing you in the video only, that I'll be posting, as well as you can access the notes by checking the description box or by checking the description of my YouTube channel, where I have provided a link, and this all the chapter notes you can get at just 99 rupees. So for all the subjects, all the chapters, you will can get the notes at just 99 rupees. Else I am going to show you the notes in the video only, you can get from there also. Then one thing is that if you want to comment your query, then you are free, right? And please subscribe if you find it really useful. And then in the video I'll be speaking mostly in English, that is थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलूँगी और कभी कभी इंग्लिश में बोलूँगी, so that you students are also confident in it. And one important thing is that initially my voice might not be clear because I am just simply using a headphone mic to record these videos, so pardon me for that, because I don't have any mic right now. Yes, so let's start our course. So the first chapter that I will be teaching will be Geography chapter 1. Geography chapter 1, whose name is Economic Geography, Subject Matter and Resources. So Economic Geography, Subject Matter and Resources. So we will cover very little topics in one video, so that it does not become dumb for you, right? You does not get bored by seeing the videos, by watching lengthy lectures. So the first video I will keep it very short. I will cover only two topics: Economic Geography का definition and basically its scope. I would really want to see the feedback of you students. So let's start. So Economic Geography का definition is what? It is a key branch of human geography. It studies how people use natural and man-made resources to produce, distribute, consume and exchange goods and services. So basically geography, we all know what it is, right? In class 9, in class 8 you have studied geography, so you know this. But what is economic geography? Geography that studies how people use resources. Okay, resources, you know, anything which is of use to the human or mankind in any form is a resource. Now resources are broadly classified into natural and man-made. नेचुरल रिसोर्स भी आप लोग को पता है जो नेचुरली ऑकरिंग होता है, राइट? दे आर वेरी कॉस्टली और वो लोग बहुत मतलब रिप्लेनिश नहीं हो जाते जल्दी जल्दी, ये ना, दे टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू गेट रिप्लेनिश्ड. सो दीज आर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. फ्यू एग्जांपल्स कैन बी गोल्ड, oil. And man-made resources, you know that it is made in laboratories by chemical methods and reactions, and we can replenish them. For example, plastic we have, and there are many other man-made resources, right? So basically how people use these resources, this is going to be studied in the economic geography. Okay, how we use it. Now use does not only means कि आपने सामान खरीदा मार्केट से, आप इसको कैसे यूज़ करें. सब प्लास्टिक खरीदा मार्केट से, उसको आपने कैसे यूज़ करें, राइट? यूज़ मतलब हम लोग वो पर्टिकुलर रिसोर्स को कैसे प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, कैसे कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, एंड कैसे उसको एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं. ये चार फैक्टर्स को हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है ना? किसी भी रिसोर्सेज को हम लोग ये चार POV से पढ़ने वाले हैं इन द इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी. इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी इज बेस्ड ऑन स्पेटियल एंड टेम्पोरल एस्पेक्ट्स. Spatial and temporal aspects means इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी जो है ना, दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ उसको डिटरमाइन करता है. नंबर वन इज़ द स्पेस, मतलब द प्लेस ऑन द सराउंडिंग एंड द एनवायरमेंट वेयर यू आर स्टडिंग द इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ. And the temporal means it is also time based, that is the time at which you are studying the economics of a place is also equally important. For example, if I say कि the economic condition of India in 1947 versus the economic condition of India in 2026, obviously both are different. Yes, यहाँ पे time is different, one is around the independence year and one is at present. And space is also important. We are studying about India, right? Indian economic geography is obviously going to be different from that of USA economic geography. So time and space, these are very important. Next, human environment interaction vary from place to place due to the different natural environment and different man-made environment. Obviously, how we interact with environment, okay, how humans interact with environment, it varies from place to place. For example, कोई ट्राइबल प्लेस है तो वहाँ पे ह्यूमन्स विल वेरी वेल टेक केयर ऑफ देयर एनवायरनमेंट, राइट. बट वही देयर इज़ सम अर्बन प्लेस, ओके, रैपिडली ग्रोइंग टाउन, जहाँ पे बहुत मतलब डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहा है, लाइक टाउन में आपका मॉल बन रहा है, हॉस्पिटल बन रहा है, स्कूल्स बन रहा है, तो वहाँ पे ह्यूमन दे विल बी नॉट thinking so much about their environment, right? They will obviously cut trees, do deforestation, and they will remove the indigenous people so that just they can do their development process and go forward. So obviously this interaction, this differs from place to place, okay, because many a times natural environment are present, many a times man-made environment is present. Now these two terms are also very easy. Natural environments like mountain, plain, coast, which have occurred naturally around us, okay, we have not put any effort. And man-made environment are those environment which humans have produced. Okay, really sorry for the noise if you are facing any, because यहाँ पे मतलब क्या बोलूँ, मेरे पास ये माइक भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है और घर भी एकदम मेरा मेन रोड के पास ही है, तो आपको बहुत सारे अनवांटेड नॉइज सुनाई देंगे, तो प्लीज़ एडजस्ट स्टूडेंट्स. आई रियली वांट टू गिव क्वालिटी कंटेंट टू यू. So if I see a very well response from you student after the first chapter, then I will surely buy a mic for myself. Then this leads to diverse economic activity. So how humans are interacting with environment, because of this we have economic activities which are broadly classified into different groups. For example, अगर कोई fertile area है तो वहाँ पे humans how will they interact with the environment? They will do agriculture. If there is a coastal area, if the environment is coastal area, how will humans interact with it? They will do fishing in the coastal area. Similarly, livestock and grassland industry in mineral rich areas, for example Jharkhand Odisha belt, right. Next is scope of economic geography. So economic geography explores the where, what, why and how of economic activities. That is कोई भी economic activity. Now economic activity you understand very well, that is any activity जिसमें पैसा included होगा. Without पैसा वहाँ पे अगर बात हो रहा है then it is not considered any economic activity. Okay, तो जहाँ पे पैसे का बात होगा it's an activity, it's an economic activity. Then वो economic activity कहाँ पे हो रहा है, what, कैसा इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है, पैसा दे रहा है, चेक दे रहा है, या फिर वट एवर इट इज़, वट काइंड ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी इज दिस, एंड वाई इज इट हैपनिंग, वाई इज दिस एक्टिविटी बीइंग टेकन प्लेस, एंड हाउ इज दिस इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी टेकिंग प्लेस. सो दिस आर द 4 WH क्वेश्चंस विच इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी ट्राइज टू आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इट सीक्स टू आंसर. तो ट्रेडिशनल इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी वर्सेस मॉडर्न इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी. तो ट्रेडिशनल इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी क्या क्वेश्चन करता है कि वेयर इज़ द एक्टिविटी लोकेटेड, व्हाट इज़ द नेचर एंड कैरेक्टर ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, है ना, कि इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी जो है वो कैसा है, मतलब एग्रीकल्चरल है, माइनिंग हो रहा है, इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटीज़ हो रहा है, या क्या. वेयर इज़ इट लोकेटेड, ऑब्वियसली स्पेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन केस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी. व्हाट इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू इज अगेन सेम थिंग, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू सम प्रोडक्ट, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू सम सर्विसेज, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू सम एग्रीकल्चर थिंग, और व्हाट, वाई इज़ इट लोकेटेड हियर, दैट इफ द स्पेस इज सपोज झारखंड related to mineral, therefore it is located there. Would it be better located elsewhere? So for example, if we do or if we bring up some industry, for example steel industry in Mumbai, then would it be better, or if we bring up a industry, एक स्टील का इंडस्ट्री इन झारखंड, वुड इट बी बेटर? ऑब्वियसली झारखंड में बेटर होगा क्योंकि रॉ मटेरियल इज़ नियर द इंडस्ट्री ओनली, जिस वजह से कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. सो कहाँ पे मतलब वो जो कोई भी पर्टिकुलर इकोनॉमिक टेक प्लेस जहाँ पे हो रहा है वो कहाँ पे होना ज़्यादा मतलब बेनिफिशियल है. दिस ऑल्सो वी स्टडी इन इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी. Basically types of economic activity and all, we all have these things. I will types of economic activity we will be covering in the next lecture. Okay, I just want to say this is my very first lecture on YouTube, and I'll be starting a course for you students. So I just want to see the response. If hopefully I get a good number of response, if the response is more than at least 20 genuine views in this video, then I will be posting the next video. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you.